Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in our busy modern lives: working out at home. We all know that exercise is important for our physical and mental health. But finding the time and motivation to go to the gym can be a real challenge. That's where home workouts come in. They offer a convenient and flexible solution that can fit into even the busiest of schedules. But let's face it, working out at home can also be challenging. Without the guidance of a personal trainer or the accountability of a gym membership, it can be easy to fall into a rut or get stuck in ineffective routines. That's why in this video, we're going to share with you some tips and strategies for making the most out of your home workouts, so you can achieve your fitness goals efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or someone who just prefers to work out in the comfort of their own home, we've got you covered. So, let's get started on this journey towards a healthier, fitter, and more confident you. As a beginner in the world of fitness, it can be overwhelming to know where to start when it comes to designing a workout program. However, understanding the principles of effective exercise programming is key to achieving your fitness goals. One important principle is progressive overload, which involves gradually increasing the demands placed on your body over time to avoid plateauing in your progress. This can be achieved by increasing the weight you lift, the number of reps you perform, or the intensity of your cardio workouts. Varying intensity is also important to keep your workouts challenging and prevent boredom. This can involve incorporating high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or different forms of cardio such as running, cycling, or swimming. When designing your workout program, it's important to tailor it to your individual goals and fitness level. For example, if your goal is to build strength, you may want to focus on exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench press. On the other hand, if you're aiming for better cardiovascular health, you may want to include more cardio-based exercises such as running or cycling. It's also important to incorporate exercises for flexibility and mobility to prevent injury and improve range of motion. This can include stretches or yoga poses. As you progress in your fitness journey, you may want to seek the advice of a certified fitness coach to help you design a more personalized workout program and ensure proper form and technique during exercises. Some people prefer to work out without equipment, while others like to have a variety of equipment to use. When it comes to fitness equipment, there are many options to choose from. Here are some tips to help you choose the right fitness equipment for your needs. For those who haven't exercised in a while or are just starting out, I recommend beginning with equipment-free training methods. This way, your body and mind can experience the joy of exercise without feeling overwhelmed. Here are some suggestions for fitness training methods that don't require any equipment. Bodyweight exercises. These include push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks, and can be done anywhere, anytime. Cardiovascular exercises. These include running, jogging, biking, or jumping jacks, and can be done without equipment. Yoga and Pilates. These are great for improving flexibility, balance, and strength, and can be done without equipment. After regularly exercising for 2 months, at least twice a week, you can start adding some lighter equipment to your workout routine. Best recommendations for using fitness equipment at home. Resistance bands. These are lightweight and versatile and can be used for a wide range of exercises to strengthen and tone your muscles. Dumbbells. These are great for strength training and can be used to work almost every muscle in your body. Kettlebells. These can be used for strength and cardiovascular training and are great for building explosive power and endurance. Yoga mat. This is essential for any kind of floor exercise, including yoga, Pilates, and stretching. Jump rope. This is a simple yet effective way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. When it comes to purchasing fitness equipment for home use, there are many options available. It can be overwhelming to decide what to buy, especially if you're on a budget or have limited space. Consider your fitness goals and the types of exercises you enjoy. If you're looking to improve strength, you might want to invest in some dumbbells or resistance bands. If you enjoy cardio, a jump rope or exercise bike might be a good choice. And if you're looking to improve flexibility, a yoga mat or foam roller could be useful. Remember, you don't need a lot of equipment to get a good workout at home. With just a few small pieces of equipment, you can create a well-rounded fitness routine. Warming up and stretching before a workout, including the benefits of reducing the risk of injury and improving performance, such as dynamic stretching, foam rolling, and proper breathing techniques. If you all want to know more about the benefits of warm-up exercises, leave a message below and let me know. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Strength training has numerous benefits, such as increasing muscle mass and strength, improving bone density, enhancing overall physical performance, and reducing the risk of injury. It can also aid in weight management, improve metabolism, and boost self-esteem and confidence. To create an effective strength training workout routine, you should aim to combine different exercises, sets, and weights to challenge your muscles and prevent plateauing. A good starting point is to perform 2 to 3 sets of each exercise, with 8 to 12 repetitions per set, using a weight that is challenging but still allows you to maintain proper form. As you progress, you can increase the weight or add more sets and repetitions. Remember to also include rest days in your workout plan to allow your muscles time to recover and rebuild. Examples of strength training exercises. Number 1. Squats. Works the lower body muscles, including quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Number 2. Push-ups. Works the upper body muscles, including chest, shoulders, and triceps. Number 3. Planks. Works the core muscles, including abs, lower back, and hips. Exercising at home can become monotonous and boring if you're not enjoying the process. To find fun in exercising, try to incorporate activities you enjoy doing into your workout routine. For example, if you like dancing, try a dance workout video. If you enjoy nature, try an outdoor workout such as hiking or jogging. You can also invite a friend or family member to join you in your workouts to make them more enjoyable. Remember, exercising should not be a chore, but rather an enjoyable and beneficial part of your life. By finding what works for you and staying motivated, you can make it a consistent and rewarding habit. In conclusion, we hope that this video has been helpful in providing you with valuable information and tips on how to improve your fitness routine. Remember, consistency is key, and incorporating the right exercises and techniques can lead to significant progress and positive results. We encourage you to take action and implement the tips and strategies discussed in this video to help you reach your fitness goals. Whether it's incorporating strength training, stretching, or finding ways to stay motivated, there are many ways to improve your fitness routine and overall health. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your fitness journey. Remember to implement the tips and strategies discussed in this video to see results and feel your best. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness content and to stay updated on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Keep moving and stay healthy.